Hi, my name is Briana Reamer, and I'm a registered dietitian and also a food photographer. So you can find me on Instagram at More Than a Dietitian. And I've partnered with the Illinois Pork Producers Association to talk a little bit about pork and their selections of pork. So I'm going to head into the grocery store because, as a food photographer, I got to pick out the perfect produce, the perfect cuts of meat so that my photographs are warm, inviting, and delicious looking. Okay, so come on with me. I love going to the grocery store and looking at all the nutrient benefits in the fruits and vegetables section. But did you know pork also is a carrier of nutrients, such as very high sources of protein, iron, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, zinc, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, niacin, and choline. Now, pork also comes in a variety of cuts, just as you can see here. I like to choose from the 8 lean choices. When you have lean choices, you have at least 10 grams of fat, and extra lean cuts are 5 grams of fat. So I'm going to pick out a lean pork tenderloin, take it home, find a recipe, and surprise you soon. Thanks for shopping with me. Bye.